Good afternoon, everybody. Today we're looking at the Bearcat 680. It's a brand new radio. This is for Matsuhiro in Japan. And this is a tune-up report. Over here on the watt meter, we're looking at the 10 watt scale here. This is 4 and that's 6. Coming in about 5.5. And on this meter, we got a 50 watt. That's going to be 50 there. It's going to be 30 there. We're going to be close to that 30 over there. Okay, let me back up. Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, check, check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4. Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and let's see if she's receiving okay. Good. Loud. Hey, Breaker 19, anybody out there give me radio check, please? Alright, don't give me radio check, just tell me where that damn farmer's market's at, caboose. Am I supposed to get out with this Atlantic? Where is everybody today? Isn't it a happy hour on the radio? Cabot. Alright, I just wanted to try out this Bearcat 680. It's just a brand new radio here. I wanted to try it out with my A-Static 636 microphone. That's all I wanted to do was say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's right. Bigger, bigger. We're back out. Thank you. Wolf, wolf, wolf.
Yeah, it's just warming up right now. There we go. We got elements now. Hey, I wanted to ask you a quick question. Have you ever changed out Ranger displays, 2950s? You know where to get them things?
Yes, sir. It's a place called Radio Shop Supply. RadioShopSupply.com. They're the only parts distributor for Rangers. Is it a new DX series?
They're older radios. I guess the heat got to them. I mean, it's pretty much in the LCD module, right? There's nothing else I should check if they fade out and you can't read them anymore?
There's a little adjustment in the front, right in between where the keypad is. See if you can adjust that. It's a contrast adjustment. Sometimes it'll whack it back in. Yeah, and if I remember right, there's a little, when you're looking at the keypad before you pull it off, there's a hole through it, so you can adjust through it.
All right. Do I have to take the front off to see that?
Yeah, you take the whole front and the knobs and everything off.
Check into that one. Tell me the name of that place again, Mel. Say it again. I'll write it down.
Radio Shop Supply. RadioShopSupply.com, Roger.
Okay, I got it. Thanks, man. Appreciate it.
All right, take care. See you later. Bye-bye. I just wanted to try out this Bearcat 680. It's just a brand new radio here. I wanted to try it out with my A-Static 636 microphone. That's all I wanted to do was say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's right. Bigger, bigger. We're back out. Thank you.